100 members standing in front of us is not members that were recruited yesterday and trained yesterday and going to be enrolled in an area like Montevideo today. Those are members with experience, 2 or 3 years experience in the environment of law enforcement. Some of them were school resource officers, some of them were in the railway enforcement unit, some of them were all over deployed within the SITs, within the city of Cape Town, and the difference between these members and their previous occupation is that there's a career pathway within law enforcement that makes sure that you recruit out of the neighborhood watches, that you become an EPWP law enforcement officer, and from there you are going to T-level 6 learner law enforcement officer, and then out of the learner law enforcement officers you recruit them as permanent members. So all the members in front of us are permanent members from today with experience for over 2 years. And they were deployed in various fields, dangerous areas within our metropole. And I am really proud today as the Director for Operational Coordination within the City of Cape Town and within the Directorate of Safety and Security to indicate to you that as a partnership with the South African Police Services, as a partnership with the ward councillors of this area of Montevideo, as a partnership with the neighbourhood watches that is coordinated from our operational centre in Goodwood, we are going to be a partnership to fight the gangs within the Montevideo. But not only the gangs. It is not only gangs, it's crime. It's crime actually because gangs are responsible for crimes at the end of the day. But they are also the normal criminals who are not linked to gangs that are committed crime on a daily basis within this area. And together we are going to form partnership to fight this crime. To all the members standing in front of me, I really want to congratulate you. You went through an assessment, you did the necessary interviews, and you were chosen as the best out of the other members. And I really want to congratulate you. I know that you are going to make the name of the city proud, you are going to make our directorate's name proud, and you are going to make this community's name proud